viewers, welcome to my YouTube video. Today I'm gonna show you how to add end screens to your YouTube video. So let's get started. So please watch until the end. Now the left you can see the dashboard. Below the dashboard, please click on the content. And now select the video which you want for the end screens. So I'm selecting this video for the end screen. And right now, if you scroll down, you could see the end screen and I can't see it. But one notice, if you're making it for the kids, it won't come. But if you made not for the kids, it works. So if you made it not for the kids, it will work. Now select the end screens. Yeah. But one notice is also, you can also only select one end screens, not multiple. So these are the different type of end screens you want. Or you can click, if you want an element, you can also make it like this. I mean, if you want a specific video, or if you want to make 3 videos here, but it's not here. For that, you can click it video, make it like this, element, like this, like this. You can choose anyone like that. Like this. So this must be very useful for you at the watching of the end. So I'm selecting this one. You can keep it up, you can drag it anywhere. Even though the video, you can also drag it anywhere. And this one, you can also say for this video, these two will be taken by the YouTube, or this will be the most recent upload. You will have recently uploaded the video, that will come here. And if you want to choose any specific video, means you can choose from here. Actually, end screens are used to give a subscribe button, help to subscribe your channel, and you can also add any videos like that, or to watch any videos. And right now, you can choose the time. Now I want the time. From where to where? Actually, the ending is 3:51 and 20 and 3:51. Just 3 minutes and 51 seconds. And the starting is 3 minutes 31 seconds. So if you want to change this first one, you can also change it. This is the minutes, this is the seconds. I want to make it like 39. Yeah, it came. But if you're making like 40 means, it comes. But oh yeah, I see. Now if you kept, this is the problem. If you're keeping like 9:49, it must be at least visible for 5 seconds. For example, is telling like it's visible for 5 seconds means you should make it more than 5 seconds. Like this. And if you want to make the videos larger or smaller, you can also make it. See? I'm making like here. So now we can play the video and see whether it's coming or not. Let's see the from middle. Yeah, now, yeah. Yeah, now you see here. Now you see the first, this video comes first as I made it larger. And the second comes the subscribe. So if you want to make the subscribe video more, you can also enlarge it by clicking here and enlarging it like this. Yes. Now this must be okay. So like this you can, and then you can want to click on the save button. And that's all guys. Now you can view this video. As you see it comes at the end. Let's see. Here's the way we have made the. You see, as you see, it comes. I'm just keeping my mouse over the subscribe. See here, it comes. Dear, if I click here means it comes like this. See? And this, if you're creating an end screen like this, people would subscribe. If the people make here, it will be easy for them to subscribe the channel. And if they even subscribe the channel, they can also watch your videos here. And that's all guys. Thanks for watching my video. And if you like this video, you give a like, send a comment.